As our data stands now, we can only summarize at the product level, but if you look at the category table, you'll see that products can be rolled up a level. In this section, we'll load the category table and create a join on the product name fields to do just that. Select the categories table, then go to Data, Get and Transform Data from Table or Arrange. You don't need to do anything else here, so close and load the table back to Excel and rename the Sheet tab PQ Categories. Next, select the Sales Data Sheet, open Power Query, then go to Home, Combine, Merge Queries, Merge as New. In the Merge dialog, the sales table will be shown at the top. In the drop-down beneath that, select the product name column. In the next drop-down, select the category table and the product name column beneath that. Power Query will let you know whether or not it was able to join the two tables, and if it's good to go, then press OK to complete the join. Power Query returns the sales data, which you might have expected, but the category column doesn't seem all that helpful, does it? It's for good reason, because you need to tell Power Query which table columns you want to display. For this exercise, we just want the master category, so click on the Field List Filter button, choose Category, and press OK. Power Query will then display the two tables combined, but the category column is stuck all the way to the right-hand side, so I'm going to move it. We don't need the table name and the column title either, so I'll go ahead and remove that. Now the data is ready for you to send back to Excel with Close and Load. Note that Power Query creates a new worksheet for you, which I'll rename PQ Merge. You'll also see a new query in the Query and Connections dialog pane. This is great because it didn't alter any of the transformations we applied so far. This lets you create multiple views based on the same data, which can be incredibly helpful if you need to create different reports. If you like, you can also change the query title to be more descriptive. Hover over the query name, then select the ellipsis from the query dialog and choose the property setting. I'll change this one to Merge Tables. In the next video, we'll go over how to review each of your applied steps and adjust them if necessary.